Good morning, Idaho. Thanks for waking up with us. 5:16 right now on your Tuesday morning. If you're getting ready to head out the door, these are the temperatures you can expect right now. 49 degrees in Boise, not too bad to start off the day. 40 degrees in Mountain Home right now. 17 in Stanley and 26 degrees in McCall. We are going to see some really warm temperatures as the day progresses, even warmer than those temperatures we hit yesterday, which was a nice change of pace. Yesterday we hit 66 degrees in Boise and Mountain Home. We hit 66 in Sun Valley as well, and even Stanley and McCall hit that 50-degree mark. So really nice day yesterday, a lot of sunshine. We will see that sunshine again today, at least for the first half of the day before those clouds start rolling in throughout the afternoon. And you can see a little bit of clouds making their way through our area this morning. Those should break up through the first half of the day, seeing some sunshine. We are going to see some breezy conditions pick up throughout the afternoon as well. As we take a bigger picture, you can see that storm system moving onshore, really soaking Washington and Oregon right now, and that's what's going to start affecting us as we get into the late evening tonight and overnight tonight into tomorrow, bringing a lot of moisture, even some snow into the mountain areas. So good news there if you are going skiing. You can see that warm temperatures that we'll be seeing today hitting 72 in some areas, even Twin Falls seeing 75 degrees today with that moisture off to our west. And as we look towards the later side of this week, as that jet stream is going to sit right over our area, bringing that moisture kind of just trailing along us for the rest of the week. So a lot of lingering showers possible each day for the rest of the week, bringing in snow and rain mixture to some areas. As we take a look into the Treasure Valley today, you'll see a highs of 72 in Nampa and Boise, 70 in Emmett. Breezy day with increasing clouds and possible showers late tonight and overnight into tomorrow morning. In the Magic Valley, another breezy day as well, 75 for that high in Twin Falls, and some scattered showers possible throughout the late evening, 68 for that high in Burley today. And in the West Central Mountains, possibly seeing 1 to 2 inches of snow accumulate overnight tonight. Possible showers and thunderstorms this afternoon as that storm system does make its way into our area. Those upper elevation areas reaching the 50s and some other areas the mid-60s. Possible snow in the East Central Mountains as well, with a high of 51 in Stanley, 47 for the high today in Sun Valley, and 54 for Fairfield. As you take a look at the extended forecast, you'll see very warm temperatures for today, 72 for that high, but those are going to change for the rest of the week as that cold front makes its way through, dropping our high temperatures 20 degrees. So we're looking at highs in the mid-50s for the rest of the week, with those showers sticking around with some good chances Wednesday and Thursday, and again this weekend with our low temperatures around 40. So those low temperatures aren't as low as they have been lately, but those high temperatures will be dropping down to what we've been seeing this weekend. Rachel Spencer.
All right, thank you, Karen. Now to